Where are we? Can we see? Damn. What time is it now?
6:33.
Oh, fucking hell. So, what time did we start?
Him 11.
11?
Yeah.
You started him at 11.
Really?
Yeah.
We got here at 10:45, something like that.
No, I mean, not this one. I think it was 2 o'clock. From 2 till now, but 4 hours?
No, it was
No,
it
we
was a bit late.
finished me like 2 something. So we put that stencil.
It's like 3 to now.
Yeah, something like 3 hours worth.
Fuck's
3
sake.
and a half.
Well, that's pretty cool in 3 hours, actually. So, we did it in 3 hours. We just discovered that. So, majority of all this, I actually did with a spray liner. Over the little fine line stuff, the little small stuff. And then the bigger details did with 9 liner shading, and then 9 mag for like summarizing all the shading. Can we actually go a little bit back? It kind of focuses on the bed. That's it. So you can explain how was the pain.
Excruciating.
You can hold it. So how was the pain? That from like 1 to 10.
10.
And like yeah.
No, it's not as bad, but yeah, it's a bit painful. But
Where's the worst?
this side.
Which I left for the last one.
Yeah.
Probably every area.
It's because it's a bit
area
more
would be the
inside of the
worst.
arm, that's why. Well, otherwise, fine. I can
And then
survive.
the outside. The area there.
That's easy.
That's easy, yeah.
It's easy.
So that's pretty cool. So ink wise, probably that's for me. So ink wise, the whole thing did with allegory and then dynamic triple for the blacks, and that's about it. Yeah, 3, 9 mag. I almost can't see. And then what else I need to mention? Not much really. The reference there. Stencils there. So black. That allegory is weird. It goes from like 4, number 4. That's 3 and that's 2, and then I didn't even set up to number 1. Yeah, that's about it for this.